posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, 'cause baby.
So I have another M cap install for y'all. This wig is from ISEE Hair. Y'all already know how I feel about the M cap wigs, and the straight always does it for me. This particular wig is 250% density, and I am loving this straight hair. It is so full and beautiful, and I love how it is silky straight. They have the pre-plucked hairline, bleach knots, pre-cut lace. It has the ear tab for your ears to sit comfortably around the wig. It just fits so good, and the 9x6" HD lace closure is everything. It's almost like a freaking frontal. The lace goes from here to here. So it's literally only this portion of my edges that you can see. It looks so good. Y'all already know how I feel about these M cap wigs. If you would like to see me install this wig with baby hairs, y'all already know, keep watching. So let's go ahead and unbox this wig from ISEE Hair. I'm so excited. This is one of their 250% density M cap units. Y'all already know I love the M cap units, but this one has a high density on it, so I'm so excited to see this baby. Y'all are already used to the packaging. It comes in this little cute shopping bag, and then it comes in this pink and gold box. And then it's got glitter here. Their packaging is just always so freaking cute. My freebies are in here. It comes with this satin sleeping cap. Also, these lashes. It has 6 pairs of lashes, 2 wig caps, HD wig cap and a regular wig cap. It comes with some extra accessories, an elastic band, and 3 combs in here. And then here is the wig, y'all. This is one of their straight M cap units, and this one is 250% density, so it is thicker than the other straight M cap wig that y'all have seen me show on my channel. So here is a close-up of the closure. It is a 9x6" HD lace closure. It has a pre-cut lace here. It is pre-plucked, and it has pre-bleached knots, y'all. And it does have the M cap, so it has the dip right here for your ear to sit nicely against the wig. And here is the inside of the cap. It does have 2 wig combs here. It has 1 wig comb in the back right here, and all of the wig combs are removable in this cap, y'all. And it has this adjustable elastic band strap, and it says wear and go on it, so you know it is from ISEE Hair. And here is the 9x6" lace closure, so you get a ton of parting space with this wig. It's so unreal. And it also has the ISEE Hair tag on the back, so you already know where it's from. And here is a close-up of the ear area where it is cut out so it sits nice and flush against your ear. So I normally add my foundation under the lace, but I'm not gonna do that today. I'm gonna do some powder on top and see how I like that. So let's go ahead and install this wig. I'm first gonna install this elastic band adjustable strap. Pull that back, and then I barely have the wig on my head. Hold up. There she is. She is nice and secure. So I'm gonna take this powder from Makeup Forever. This is the HD Skin Matte Velvet Powder in the shade 4Y70. And I'm going to put this right on this lace in the front and see if it makes the lace disappear or not. Because if it does, then guess what? This is what I'm gonna be doing. I'm not gonna be doing all that foundation under the lace. It's looking okay. I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that the wig is styled in the middle, just how I like it. Don't mind my wig cap, it did slip back a bit, but I'll fix it later. I'm using my Ebon wax stick around the parting area right now just to lay that hair down. And then I'm gonna take my olive oil spritz around the parting area. I am gonna do some baby hairs with this wig, so I'm gonna go ahead and pull some out to the front. Then I'm gonna take my hot comb and get the hair out the way. And I'm gonna do the same on this side. And then I'm gonna take the hot comb again and get this hair out the way. Next, I'm gonna take some scissors and just cut these baby hairs. And I'm gonna take my hair gel. This is the Extreme Pro Gel. I love this, very inexpensive. And we're gonna go ahead and just lay the baby hairs down. Yeah, so I'll do one more on this side. Now the baby hairs are nice and laid. I definitely wanted to do baby hairs with this install because I feel like the last straight M cap wig I got from ISEE hair, I did not do baby hairs. So let's go ahead and fix this cap situation. You see what's going on. I'm gonna go ahead and take concealer. I'm gonna use concealer that's lighter than I normally would just because this cap is lighter than I would normally go. So we need to correct that. So next I'm gonna take my hot comb again and I'm gonna make sure that this hair is nice and laid. Then I'm gonna take my Tresemme Ultra Fine Hairspray and spray it on top just to lay down any flyaway hairs. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just comb this hair out. It looks really good already, so I'm not going to straighten it or anything. It is ready to go. Look at this. Silky, straight, M-cap straight wig from ISEE hair. Y'all already know how I feel about this brand and this particular wig. It's one of my faves, and this one is 250% density, y'all. Y'all see how easy it was to install this wig and how good it looks. I love it with baby hairs. It looks super bomb. If you're interested in checking out this wig from ISEE hair, I will leave a link down below in the description box for you guys, as well as any coupon codes that they provide me with. And if you have not already checked out my latest Get Ready With Me video, what are you doing? Go ahead and watch it now.